Hi friends, welcome to the session 5 of Water Mission Know Your Water. Once again, this is Mangesh Surve, the Chairman Director of NBK Technologies Private Limited, and having more than 20 plus years of experience in water and wastewater treatment. Friend, as I said, today's topic is on finding or the knowing the second culprit in water, right? As I said, the second culprit. The first culprit, which we have already understood in the last session, that first culprit name is TDS, total dissolved solids. Now, what is the second culprit? Second culprit in the water is the total hardness of water, hardness, right? So, friends, why I'm calling it as a culprit? Because when water is hard, it will having the different issues, right? The first issue, it will affect your skin. The second issue, your hair loss. The third issue, it will be choke your whole uh, pipelines, right? The choking of the pipeline or scaling of the pipelines, the scaling of uh, solar water units, the scaling of water geysers. So a lot of things are there related with the hardness of water, staining of your utensils, stains on your clothes, right? So why this is happening? To try to understand what is the total hardness of water. Now here I will not going too much technical details, but water hardness is nothing but the presence of calcium and magnesium salt in water, right? Water hardness is nothing but the presence of or the concentration of calcium and magnesium salts present in the water, right? So why calcium and magnesium salt are having such a concentration? The first reason is that when water goes deep inside the ground, it attracts the minerals, right? And if you see the overall strata, it's consisting of calcium and magnesium related elements like calcium carbonates, calcium sulfate, magnesium carbonates. So it's get attracted, it's get dissolved in the water. So if you see or if you find out the water hardness of the borewell water and the hardness of the surface water like a dam water, you will find there is a huge difference. For example, dam water would be having the hardness in the range of 40 to 50, whereas the borewell water will be having the hardness in the range of 600 to 700. So more than, you can say, 12 15 times more than regular dam water, right? So this is related with the water hardness. Now the big concept or the big misunderstanding is happening in these two parameters, that is TDS and water hardness. Most of the people are saying the TDS value as a hardness value or hardness value as a TDS value. Now, as I said, the TDS is all about the presence of all minerals in water. That means it is also consisting of calcium and magnesium salt. So the TDS value every time will be higher than the hardness. Every time, right? Suppose a water TDS is around 800 ppm, then water hardness would be around 500 to 600 ppm. There is not a fixed formula for this, but the hardness will be always lower than the TDS value. So understanding of these two elements is very important. Second thing is that because of hardness, all these different issues are there. So what to do with that? So as to remove the hardness from water, you should have to install the water softening unit. Yes, it is a resin based unit. Once water passes through that resin bed, it leaves all that minerals, all means the calcium and magnesium salts inside that resin, and the soft water passes away, right? Now there is a easy and quick method to find out the water is soft or not. You can uh, you can take a soap test. Actually, with the soap, if there is a lot of foam is happening, the water is soft, right? Second thing is that a TDS of any water you can find out through a TDS meter. Online TDS meters are available, or the pen type TDS meters are available. You can find out the TDS value on the meter. But sorry to say, for any hardness test, there is no any meter available. You should have to test the water with the hardness test kits available in the market. So that is also a big difference, right? So once the softening is happening through the resin bed till your water TDS at the outlet of the softening unit will be same. Why it is happening? Because there is a replacement of minerals. The calcium and the magnesium salts get replaced with the sodium salt. So that is the reason that you will not get reduction in TDS value at the outlet of water softening. Now question is that, does soft water is a drinkable water? Friends, no. If your TDS value is 700, 800 and water softening just removing the water hardness, keeping the all other minerals as it is, so soft water is not good for the drink, for the drinking application. But for the utility application, for the boiler, for the geysers, for the solar systems, right, or for regular washings, everywhere you can use the soft water. But if you want to make it a drinkable water quality, then you should have to treat that water through the RO systems. So RO system will remove all the minerals present in water and make it drinkable with the TDS value of around 40 to 60 ppm. You can easily drink that water. So friends, this is more about the water hardness and related issues. In case if you require more details about it, definitely write down in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe this channel, as we are coming up with the different topics into the simpler form. See, my intention is to make it very simpler to understand the things than the complication, or than too much more into the technical details. So so please help me into that, and your suggestions, your comments are really helpful for me to make this water mission successful, right? So thank you very much, and thanks for offering me the opportunity to present this this session in front of you. Thank you very much.